Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video here on my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how I created this pink and purple halo eye. So the first step is to apply an eyeshadow base, and I'm using the new eye primer from Anastasia Beverly today. Now for this look, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills x Alyssa Edwards palette. And the first shade I'm gonna pick up is the Supreme, and I'm gonna be applying this eyeshadow into the crease as my transition shade using a fluffy blending brush. Next, I'm picking up the hot pink shade called Texas Made on a small little blending brush, and I'm gonna apply this into the inner third of my lid and blend into the crease. And since I'm going to be putting the purple on the outer half, I'm only going halfway into the crease with the pink. And these eyeshadows are very pigmented, just like any other ABH shadow, so you don't need a lot on your brush. For the outer corners, I'm gonna go in with the purple eyeshadow from the palette named Believe, and with this one, I'm applying it into the outer corners and also in the outer half of my crease. Since this color is a little bit darker, I'm definitely gonna take my time and make sure that it's nice and blended. Now for the lower lash line, we're gonna use the same colors. So I'm applying the purple on the outer half and the pink on the inner half of the lash line. Now we're gonna go in and cut the crease, and I'm using the ABH primer to do this. And I know I said in my last video that I was a little bit scared to use it because I didn't know if it was gonna work, but it did, and I think it looks great. Once I have the crease cut out and a little bit of that primer on my lid, I'm then gonna apply the matte shade called Highliner from the palette. I wanted to add some sparkle to the look, so here I'm going in with the Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadow from Huda Beauty in the shade Fro-Yo. And I'm just adding this onto the center of the lid and in the inner corners. You can't really tell in this lighting, but it looked so beautiful and it was almost like a wet look. Now I'm gonna go in with the Nabla Cosmetics Serial Liner and line my lash line. I always do this because I think it looks a lot better when I apply my false lashes because it hides the lash band. Then I'm just gonna apply some mascara to my lashes and some false lashes. The last step is just to line the waterline using the Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeliner Crayon in the shade Popular, and that's it. I really hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!